Imagine losing everything, your freedom, your job, your reputation, all because of a false accusation. Sounds terrifying, right? But what if there was a hidden legal weapon that could stop it all? Today we uncover the secret of Section 389 Criminal Procedure Code, a law that can pause both jail time and even a conviction. Stay till the end, because this knowledge could save someone's future. Arpan Chakraborty was a kind-hearted teacher who taught science at a small school. His students adored him. But one day, everything changed. He was falsely accused in a corruption case and the court sentenced him to 3 years in jail. His students cried and his wife and daughter were devastated. However, his lawyer friend, Somen, reassured everyone that Section 389 Criminal Procedure Code could help. He explained that it was possible to stop the sentence. During the hearing, Suman addressed the judge, stating that Arpan was innocent and would be filing an appeal. Citing Section 389, he requested a suspension of the sentence. He also mentioned that Arpan was diabetic and staying in jail could harm his health. After considering the request, the judge decided that until the appeal was heard, Arpan's sentence would be suspended and he was granted bail. Arpan was free. But just then, a letter arrived. The school authorities had declared that since he was convicted, he was being dismissed from his job. Arpan was shattered. But once again, Somen assured him that they could now work on stopping the conviction itself. Arpan, confused, asked Suman why he had lost his job despite his sentence being suspended. Suman explained that the suspension of the sentence only meant he didn't have to serve jail time, but the conviction still stood. And conviction could cost someone their job, reputation, everything. Hearing this, Arpan anxiously asked what could be done next. Suman informed him that the Supreme Court had ruled that in exceptional cases, even a conviction could be suspended. He further explained that if they could prove that losing his job would ruin his family's livelihood, they had a strong chance of winning the case. In court, Suman argued that Arpan was the sole breadwinner of his family and his daughter was in college. If the conviction was not suspended, his family would be left without any financial support. The opposing lawyer countered by pointing out that the law did not explicitly mention suspension of conviction. But Suman reminded the court that it had inherent powers. He cited the Naveen Patnaik case where a conviction had been suspended so the leader could contest elections. After hearing the arguments, the judge ruled in Arpan's favor, acknowledging that his situation was extraordinary. The court suspended his conviction and ordered the school to reinstate him. 2 years later, the High Court found that Arpan had been falsely accused. He was declared innocent. Because his conviction had been suspended, the school had no right to fire him. He got his job back. Overjoyed, his daughter told him that he was her hero. Moral of the story section: 389 Criminal Procedure Code has 2 powerful provisions. 1. Suspension of sentence prevents imprisonment during an appeal. 2. Suspension of conviction, a secret legal tool that can help save jobs and reputations. Why is conviction suspension important? 1. If convicted, one can lose their job. 2. If convicted, one cannot contest elections. 3. If convicted, social respect is at stake. When can someone get it? 1. In exceptional circumstances, such as job loss or a family crisis. 2. If there is a high chance of success in appeal. The law is not just about punishment, it can also be a ray of hope. Section 389 is that hope. This information might help someone in need. So share this story and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to Kaanoon Ki Kahani on YouTube.